So unbelievably, 2024 is almost over and 2025 is upon us. Now, that does mean a couple of changes that you can expect regarding estate tax issues. And so I want to run through those briefly. Now, if you've been following things up to this point, you know that for the estate tax itself, there's an exemption of around $13,600,000 that applies. What that means is you can give away that much during your life and at death without incurring any estate tax. And if you're married, you can double that. That exemption is actually going up in 2025 from around $13,600,000 to $13,900,000. So that means a couple has almost $14 million each, or $28 million total, that they can give away during their life and at death before they start accruing any or having to pay any estate or gift tax. The other big change is a change to the annual exclusion. The annual exclusion is an amount you can give to any person during that year, free of even using your using up your unified credit or lifetime exemption that I just mentioned, the $13,600,000. That exemption was $18,000 for 2024, meaning in 2024 you could give any individual $18,000 with even beginning to use your unified credit exemption or lifetime exemption. It's going up to $19,000. So this means in 2025 you'll be able to give $19,000 to any individual. And if you're married, you can double that. And if they're married, you can quadruple it. And so those are all changes that will happen effective January 1st, 2025. Now, it's like caveat. We are expecting a major tax change during the year of 2025. There's some exemptions, the Trump era tax cuts that are set to automatically expire at the end of 2025. Whether those will be extended or changed, or whether they'll simply allow them to expire on their own is anyone's guess, but I believe that we're going to see at least some tax bill passed during next year, particularly given the outcome of the elections and the Republicans controlling both the presidency and both houses of Congress. I expect they should be able to get something through, but that's not guaranteed. So stay tuned, and we'll monitor that to see how things develop. And of course, that could change some of what I mentioned in the earlier part of this video. But the most likely thing I think is that things will just stay as they are through most of next year. As always, if you have any questions about how any of this applies to you or your estate plan or your family, please reach out. We'd be more than happy to chat.